Promoting your profile outside the platform. You don't have to wait around for people to find your profile. In this lesson, I'll show you how to promote yourself outside of rentacyberfriend.com so you can reach more people faster. Why promotion matters. Even a great profile needs visibility. Promoting yourself helps you stand out from other cyber friends. Attract clients who already align with your interests. Create your own steady stream of bookings. Share your unique profile link. First, grab your unique profile link from your account dashboard. That's the link you'll share across platforms. Add it to your Instagram bio, TikTok LinkedIn bio, or LinkedIn profile. Include it in posts, stories, and even group chats if appropriate. Use a call to action. Want to talk? Book me here. What to post? You don't need to be a content creator. You just need to be you. Share what you love talking about. Travel, motivation, creativity, mindfulness. Post short videos or stories like, ever needed someone to talk to who really listens? Highlight reviews, repeat bookings, or what you've learned from being a cyber friend without breaking client confidentiality. Best platforms to use. Focus on platforms where your ideal clients already hang out. Instagram, great for stories, DMs, and quick videos. TikTok, perfect for short, relatable clips or advice. LinkedIn, ideal if you offer mentorship or professional chats. Reddit and forums. Join communities aligned with your interests. Follow their promo rules. You have something valuable to offer, and the world needs to know it. Share your link with confidence, be consistent, and remember, the more people see you, the more they'll book you.